The universe is composed of plasma, and these plasmic structures have the ability to self organize, self sustain, and be aware of where they are within the environment. They do this by maintaining what's called a double layer, or a thin film of electric charge that has a parallel series of positive and negative charged particles, or ions, that are sustaining it in relationship to whatever the outside environment is. What this means is that you have a double layer encased object, like a plasma, a plasmoid, ball lightning, a planet, or any self sustaining plasma structure, and it's able to create its own reality. It does this by maintaining its structure in relationship to any other energies that are hitting that double layer. This double layer is found on the Earth, on other planets, within galaxies, within other structures of the universe. Just recently, the Voyager space probe went to the edge of our solar system and found a double layer that they're calling a ring of fire surrounding the entire thing. This just proves the point more that each one of these solar systems or galaxies or whatever are self-contained fractals of a greater pattern. That greater pattern is the universe itself. Building on this, if we understand that everything is interacting with everything within its vicinity and then reacting to it, we can begin to understand how things like astrology work, things like divination work, tarot cards themselves even work. Because our minds, our brains, are contained by a skull and then a layer of skin and muscle that insulate it from the outside environment, meaning that we have our own environment within our brains and our bodies. And we're self-sustaining it through conscious action and unconscious action of the many trillions of cells that make up our body. And each one of those have their own double layer. And when these double layers work in sync together, they begin to create a cohesive structure that can move, have stronger goals, have greater intelligence than just one of them alone can have by themselves. In this way, this is the definition of fractality in terms of spirituality. Similar systems working together to create greater action. If you want to learn more, check out the other videos on my profile. If you want to learn more about yourself, check out my website where I offer plasma astrology, also coaching services to help you bring out the best version of yourself by understanding these topics.